On Tuesday, Apple launched their new app called Invites, and I was super excited to try it out. This new app is designed to make planning and sharing events easier. You can make beautiful custom invitations for any events, use Image Playground to generate images, create a shared album, integrate Apple Music, Calendar app, Weather app, Apple Maps, Apple Intelligence, and more. Let's talk all about that in today's video. Let's get started. It's a new app available for iPhone that lets you design custom invitations for any special occasion or event. You can easily create, share, and RSVP to invites. Plus, there is a cool feature that lets you contribute to shared album so everyone can add their photos from the event. But that's not all. It also ties into Apple Music. You can build and share playlists with your invitees, so the party's playlist is ready to go even before the event begins. But here's the thing. Invitations can be created only by Apple iCloud Plus subscribers. You can accept and RSVP to invitations even if you don't have the iCloud Plus. In fact, you can also RSVP even if you don't have the app through web or even for Android users. Okay, that's the feature list. Now let's look at how to use the app itself. First thing first, if you're on iPhone, head over to Apple Store and download the Apple Invites app. If you prefer using your computer, you can access it directly through iCloud at icloud.com/invites. Just sign in with your Apple ID and you should be good to go. Side note, I really love the app icon. Something about this colorful confetti is making me happy. Okay, once you're in, this is the homepage. The homepage shows the list of events you're hosting or the events you have been invited to. If you want to host a new event, you can click on the new event here or select the plus icon on top right corner and you can create a new event. So now you can see so many options to fill. First, select the background for the event invite. Here you can choose a picture from the photo gallery or take a picture or use Image Playground to generate an image. Below are some default background suggestions from Apple. Quite a few options here. Oh, I love this colorful balloon background. Looks so happy, right? Okay, let's create a background using the Image Playground. I really like how easy it is to create a custom invite photo using Image Playground. For example, if it's an invite for my birthday event and it's a summer event and I'm throwing a party, it's so easy to create a photo in just seconds. I just tap on my photo, then in the theme section, I tap on summer, party and everything else relevant, and within seconds Apple Intelligence creates the perfect invite photo. I feel like this is the best use case for Image Playground so far. Now let's go ahead and fill event title, date and time, location, host name and description. Here you can use Apple Intelligence to rewrite it better or set the tone or proofread. Scroll down, there is an option here to create a shared album for this event and share it with your participant. Oh, I love this feature because every time we host a party or we attend one of our friends' party, we individually ask our friends to share the pictures captured on their phone. But now you can just keep uploading the pictures from the event and it'll automatically go to the album. Saves me so much time, I don't even have to create an album and move it manually later. The next part is the shared playlist. This again is a cool feature. You can share it with your friends, so it'll let them add their songs or playlist to the event playlist, so the music is ready even before the party starts. So once all this is filled, click preview on the top right. This is how the invite is going to look like when people see it. Now I tap on next. This is where I get the option to invite people. There are a few ways to share the invite here. I can either text, email them, share the link, or even copy and paste the link anywhere I want. This is a public link and anyone from a browser or an Android phone can view and RSVP to invites. I also have the option to approve a guest since this is a public invite. I also have the option here to invite people specifically by choosing the guests here. That's not all. There are even more customization possible. If I click on this edit icon at the top, I have the option here to let my friends bring guests along. I'll choose +2 here. There are a few more customization options like duplicating an event, cancelling an event, etc. That's it. Once done, the event invite is sent to the individuals I invited, or I can share the public link anywhere I want. Now, once my friends and family receive the invite, they can open it, RSVP directly within the app, select if going, not going, or maybe, and also get to select the number of guests they can bring. Also, they get a glance of the weather prediction for that day. They will also get the direction that will open Apple Maps directly. Also, they can add event to the calendar right from the app. Share their photos in a shared album after the event, add music to the shared playlist, and so much more. It's a great way to keep all those memories in one place. Once the invite is sent, you get an option here to send a note. So if you want to update any information related to the event, you can type here and it'll automatically send it to your guests. Here I am adding a note saying car parking behind the venue, and immediately every accepted guest will get this note. Obviously, only an Apple account user with an iCloud Plus subscription can create an event. We can create an event through iCloud website directly, and I don't even need the app. But once the invite is sent as a link, others can open the link on their browser and they can RSVP just with their email ID. For Android users, it's the same thing. They can just open the invite link on browser, give their email ID and RSVP to the event from there. If I send a note or something for Apple Invite app users, they will get a notification on their iPhone. But for other guests, they will get an email saying there is a new note from the guest. But at least it works unlike other Apple apps. The good thing about having Apple Invite is that previously I used to get an event from different platforms. Either it used to be on Message app or email app. So every time I want to know about the event, I would have to open the Message app or email. So if there are multiple events on the same day or closer to the day, I have to manage time and stuff. It used to be difficult opening different apps every time. But now I can just open one app to see all the upcoming events here. I can see the ones I'm hosting and also the ones I will be going to. There's another option here called past events. Here you will get all the details about the event that has been finished. Then there is drafts where you will find your invites that still needs editing. Then there is hosting and attending if you want to filter it out even more. I personally love this app because of its seamless integration with Apple ecosystem, where I can just open Apple Maps right from the invite and I can just start driving. I can check real-time weather forecast that will help me select my outfit and prepare for the event. I mean, you can do all of these with other apps as well, but the difference is when you receive an invite from other apps, you will have to go to weather app to search for that day and then know about the weather. But with Apple invites, all the details are right there. Also, I've not seen any other invitation apps having shared albums or shared playlists with guests. So that's a plus. Unlike many other free event planning apps that display ads, Apple Invites is ad-free, which means the UI itself looks cleaner and better. It leverages iCloud Plus features like Private Relay and Hide My Email, providing enhanced privacy for users. Apple Invites includes Apple Intelligence feature like Image Playground and writing tools, which again gives so much more options to customize it and make it real and yours. With other apps, it's either you pick one from their template or create something with the available designs. It's not all roses with this app. There's one major drawback. The app requires iCloud Plus subscription to create and manage events, which can be a barrier for some users who do not want to pay for this service. So this limits its accessibility to users who already are invested in Apple ecosystem. But guests can RSVP without an iCloud Plus subscription. But other than that, I don't see why anyone should not use Apple Invites. So Apple Invites, an event planner's dream, or just another Apple exclusive? Let me know in the comments below. And hey, if I ever throw a tech enthusiast meetup, you know what I'm using to send the invites. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. I'll see you all in the next one. This is Anjana. Bye-bye.